Hi, my name is Ali Chaudhary, and I am one of the developers for CANQuest. Today I'll be going over how to place a quest indicator in the map and allow the quest direction to guide you to that quest indicator. First thing first, we need to figure out what happens when we first click the level selection. So let's see the level selection. So when we go to the UI folder and go into the blueprints folder, we will see that widget called level menu. In this level menu, we will see the different levels that we have here. So we have a tutorial level, level 1, and level 2, and these are all buttons. So if we go to our graph, we can see what happens when we click these buttons. So when our level 2 button is clicked, it's going to set that as a level 2, and it's going to do some things here. So what do we want it to do? We want it to do these things. We're just gonna copy all this, and we're gonna paste it here. Don't worry, these will be available to you as well whenever you build a project and when you start developing. So when we click this level 2 button, what it's going to do is it's going to create a loaded screen and it's going to then open up the level once that level is loaded. So let's see how that works. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a dummy server, and I'm going to provide that dummy server to you. And this helps with development, so I don't have to run a Linux. So here I'm running a dummy server and I'll be connected to that dummy server. I'm connected to the dummy server here, and I'm just going to launch level 2. As you can see, the level 2 was able to successfully launch, and you can move around the vehicle and interact with the environment. But now let's see how we can implement a quest into this level. So let's go to our quests. We have a folder here, level 2, which is empty. What we're going to do is we're going to take an actor in this blueprint class, and we're going to copy paste it into our level 2 folder. We're going to rename this as well to the level 2 here. Stay with the naming convention. And then we're going to open it up. There isn't anything too much to do. This one, I'm just going to show you how to create a quest for just one level. So one quest for one level. Later on, I will show you how to create multiple quests for one level. So this is a much simpler way of doing it, but if you want to create multiple levels, that I will show you as well. So once this is created, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the city level. So let's go to our level folder. We're going to open up this city, save everything. Once the city is opened, what we can do is we're going to place this quest, level 1 but level 2 quest. We're going to place this quest here. And I would like to keep it uniform, so I'm going to raise this by 300. And I want to rotate it so it's facing the road. So we can rotate it as well, so it's facing the road, like that. All right. So it's facing the road, and the invisible box that you see is the collision box. It's invisible. It only detects if a vehicle or anything is inside inside the number is just the text. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder here so we can keep everything organized. So level 2 folder, and we're going to drag this into this folder. So whatever you place inside the map will come up here. There will be an outliner window here that will show things here. So another thing we need to do is we need to place that new quest into our checkpoint tracker so we can track it and allow our quest indicator to determine where that location is. So we're going to add a new index. We're going to place that in there. Search for it. We're going to place this new quest that we just developed from there. And we're going to open up our blueprint. So open our blueprint in our quest directions. In our quest directions, only thing we need to change is our quest number, right? So the quest number by level. So we are developing level 2 here, and the quest number for level 2 would be determined by this index number. So this index number is 4, and that it represents our quest. So this index number, all we have to do is change that to 4, and we're done. And now we go back to our level main menu and save everything. Open up our main menu. Run our dummy server. Play the game. We'll connect to it. Here I should be able to see my quest number, and the indicator should be pointing to it. As you can see in the top left, my indicator is pointing to the right. What's to the right is my quest. And I can see that my indicator is updating in real time as I move my vehicle and is trying to direct me towards that quest. And if I get close to this quest, it's going to update and put my quest dialog here. This is the quest dialog because I copied and copy pasted from level 1, and we're going to change this to update wherever we want in the future tutorial. So yeah, thank you.